Hey, how you doing? This is Anthony over at Woodyah. Today I just wanted to go over real quick these spring clips that I had made. I have these on the site. They're readily available. I always go to sales and I find these Irwin boxes and they're always missing a couple of the clips. So I went ahead and I had something very similar created, but what I found was they're actually incredible for your workshop. So what I do is you have to just get a screw. Let me switch cameras. So what you got to do is you just have to get a screw. I got about a 1/2 inch thread on this bad boy right here. Just put the tip in and basically just put in and then lean forward. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to take my divider just so I have even holes. It is just a demonstration, but why not? All right. So now we're going to go ahead. We're going to pick up our screw here. My screwdriver. All right. Line it up. That's it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. These spring clips hold a good amount and they spring back into action. And because they're spring clips, you can spring them back to whatever size you need to. But super cool, super easy. Imagine this on your wall right here with your most access tools. All right. Take that in, pop it in. Gravity ain't no issue. I mean, these things are beautiful. You could basically, if you're doing whatever type of tooling you're using, this is just great for easy access. So back in the day, carpenters would have different types of briefcases based on the work that they're doing. So this would be something cool. You could probably have a project board, put it in your drawer, and when you want to do it, now you have everything ready to go. Guys, these are really cool. Why I wanted to make the video was I had a client reach out to me who said he has gone around trying to find clips like these, and he was so impressed that he went ahead and he sent me all the ones that he had bought when he was trying to hunt the perfect brace bit holders or auger bit holders, and he said they don't compare to mine. So I'm very, very proud, very excited. I think this is really cool. So enjoy, and let me know if you guys have any questions. So if you're like me and you want everything ready to go, easy to grab so you don't have to sit there, store it, or have a big box on your table, these clips are for you. Let me know if you guys have any questions. They're stainless steel and they will stand the test of time. Thank you.